Hey guys, just wanted to point out a common problem on the XP-300 and XP-400 series printers from Epson Expression Home series. So when you have paper and loaded in the printer, and the printer says that you're out of paper, there's a couple of things that you need to check. So if your printer is all set, you have enough paper in there, and it seems to be properly inserted in there. You have your support for the paper support in the correct position, but it still gives you an error and it won't feed the paper in. A couple things that we need to check. So first thing is exactly we're going to look into the paper feeder here. Let me get some light. Here we go. So make sure it's clean, and like mine looks pretty dusty, but it shouldn't be anything that will prevent it from picking up paper. But put some light in there, make sure there isn't anything there that's preventing the paper from going in. It could be a piece of paper clip or anything that can fall, like a pin or anything like that, and it could be small sometimes. Just make sure you find something like that. If that's the case, get it out. Sometimes just by flipping the printer over would work. Also, one of the most important things is the roller. So I've sent a copy through, even though there's no paper in there, but you'll see where the roller is going to pop out right now. You can actually, if you put your hand in there, you'll be able to feel it. But I don't recommend doing that when the printer's trying to print something. So I'm just going to put this business card in there. It's a kind of sensor right here that tells the printer that the paper is loaded. Now we'll see where that kicks out. That's where the roller is, right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some alcohol swab. We're gonna staple it to this card and clean, and just, you can use a business card or a piece of paper. So this is what I'm gonna use. It's easy because it's not paper. It's not gonna leave any particles in there. So just an alcohol swab. I'm gonna attach it to this business card with a stapler, like that. And now we're going to put it in there. I'm gonna put a piece of business card, one business card, just to show the printer that I do have some paper loaded in there. And I'm gonna send the job through again, and I'll just hold this over where the roller is, and I'm gonna send it a few times. But make sure you hold on to the card, make sure that it's not fed into the printer. See, I was trying to pick up paper, and you can see that it rolled over the swab a little bit. So just do that. You can do it with a window cleaner also. It's gonna work just as good. So check that out. And if you have paper jams or any paper getting stuck in here, make sure this pad is fully down. It's not up. It's just, it absorbs some ink waste. So make sure that's down in place, and make sure there's nothing in the way here. And something could be stuck right here sometimes. Just clean that up. So and then you should be able, this is pretty easy to get to here. So make sure there's no paper on either side of the printer, and you should be good to go. So after you cleaned it, put the paper in there. In my case, let it dry for at least a minute or two. You see how it tried to pick up the paper, but it's still wet, so it didn't pick anything up. I'm gonna put that back in there with a different side and try that again. Okay. I'm gonna try to send a copy through again. And here you go. You can see that it's all fixed and ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.